Watch how I turn this plain coat into a fun, unique statement piece. So we're starting with this coat. I wanted to do something fun and funky, sort of an idea of what I want to do with it. We're just gonna build it, we're gonna get creative, right? So let me show you what I do want to add to it now. This tassel, this trim tassel, I've had it for a couple of years now and kept saying I want to use it for a project, And I feel like this is the project, like I really do. So to make sure everything is where I want it to be, I kept the coat on and I am taking the trim and measuring it out and kind of making sure I get the shape that I want. I know I wanted to kind of give this like V shape because initially I did want to paint the coat, but after just going back and forth and looking in the mirror, I decided I won't paint it, but I will just use the trim to my advantage and kind of just make that the start of the coat. So as I'm pinning everything in place, I just kind of put it on my body, pin it, and then put it back on. For this project, I use my sewing machine, use a straight stitch. Actually, I use a zigzag stitch with the same color thread for my bobbin as well. Nothing serious. You could hand sew this on a coat. It was a very easy project. I literally just used a trim and then my sewing machine. I didn't need anything else. Oh, scissors. That's it. So I laid the coat down because now that I'm bringing the trim to the front, I want to make sure that this V is giving what it needs to do. I actually will bring this trim down a little bit further down. They won't be completely neck and neck, and you'll see. How are we feeling? So I brought it down a little bit, and as you can see, it looks great, right? To be exactly at the same height, I think it's good. With the arms, do we want to add something with the arms? Let me see. So here I'm just modeling it out. I've pinned down everything, and the last touches is deciding if I want the tassels on my arms, and I decided that I did want them on my arms. So as you can see, I added some trim to the collar as well as right down the middle of the coat. And then I added some to the bottom of the coat and to the arms. And that's it. I did not add trim to both sides where the button is because when you close it, the buttons are covered. So I didn't need to add trim on both sides. And here we are. What do you think?